Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Physics Past Question 21. A vapor is said to be saturated when A dynamic equilibrium exists such that more molecules return to the liquid than are leaving it. B. The vapor pressure is atmospheric. C. The temperature of the vapor varies. D. A dynamic equilibrium exists between liquid molecules and the vapor molecules. Now, we are looking at what a saturated vapor is. Okay, so a vapor that is saturated vapor, and a saturated vapor refers to a state where the system, that is the gaseous system, is holding the maximum amount of liquid in vapor at corresponding temperature and pressure. Okay, so in this system, what it entails is that you have the same, or you have a system that contains the maximum amount of liquid in that vapor at that particular temperature and pressure. So if you have maximum amount or equal amount, it means that what is established is an equilibrium. Okay, what's established there is an equilibrium. Okay? So option D says a dynamic equilibrium exists between liquid molecules and the vapor molecules. So option D describes that equilibrium that exists between the liquid and the vapor molecules. So option D is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.